Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the mouse not working issue in Windows 10. So let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Device Manager. Now find and click on Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Here, select HID-compliant mouse, then click on the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver, and then click Next. If an update is available, it will install automatically. If it shows a message saying, "The best drivers for your device are already installed," click Close. Now, click on Uninstall Device and again click Uninstall to confirm. At this point, your mouse will stop working, but don't worry, we will reinstall it using the keyboard. Press the Alt key, then use the arrow keys to move to the Action menu. Next, press the down arrow key to select Scan for hardware changes and press Enter. Windows will automatically reinstall the mouse driver, and your mouse should start working again. And that's it. Your mouse issue in Windows 10 is fixed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.